guys, we are back again with another Basics Beyond Basics. So today we are showing you a water repellent shirt. This is our second one. I like the first one so much. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, they have a wide range of different colors, but you guys can pick whatever you want. Let's go ahead and put it on and test it out. So guys, it is super soft, super comfortable, and nice and cool to the touch. I like that a lot. So, wow. Let's get closer. It's completely dry. It's dry, guys. Wow. Check this out. Let's go here in some light where you guys can actually see. That is incredible. A little water drop, that's it. But it's not, the shirt's dry. That is insane. Absolutely insane, guys. That is insane. Just absolutely insane. So it gets a pass for me, which is a good thing. Wow, that is awesome, guys. So it definitely works, and good brand. You know, this is like something, if you go to a party or event or something and you're worried about, you know, spilling something or your drink or something, or you go to, you know, mosh pit or something and people are like throwing their drinks around. It's like, oh, no worries, we just wipe it right off. Very nice, guys. But they're also super comfortable and cool too. So they're a perfect, I would say, late spring, summer, and fall t-shirt. Very nice. I'm impressed. I am impressed.